Are you getting tired of all of your New Year's resolutions failing year after year? Meron pa ba talagang chance for you to make your New Year's resolutions stick, or are they going to fail forever? Stay tuned because I'm going to be talking about that next. Welcome back mga ka-VJ. I would like to greet everyone a Happy New Year sa lahat ng mga subscribers at yung mga bagong visit lang dito sa aking vlog. If it's your first time, I hope you watch this vlog up to the very end, and if you like it, if you would click the subscribe button there. Okay? So again, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. It's 2022. Naka-survive tayo doon sa 2021. Okay? And this is another exciting round of the COVID pandemic. Okay? So, ano ba ang nangyayari during New Year? Siyempre, okay, a lot of us, if not all of us, we actually come up with New Year's resolutions. Okay? So, I'm sure you have had your share of having your list of the to-dos and your goals and aspirations and yun nga, resolutions for the year. But the big question is, eto bang mga New Year's resolutions na inilatag mo noong 2021 ay nagawa mo ba or na-achieve mo ba lahat? Or nag-fail ba tong mga to? Okay? So that is what we're gonna be talking about in this vlog. Why is it that our New Year's resolutions, they almost always tend to fail? Ano bang nangyayari? What are we doing wrong? So pag-usapan natin kung ano yung nagkukos ng nag-fail ang ating mga New Year's resolutions, meaning bakit hindi natin sila na-achieve by the time natapos yung taon. And pag lipat ng bagong taon, yun na naman ang inyong New Year's resolution. For those of you who are working for an organization or from corporate, what I'm about to tell you may not be new to you. Alam na ninyo to for sure. Pinagdaanan na ninyo to and you're very familiar with this. So for those of you who do not work for corporations or for private organizations or companies, this might be some kind of a gold mine for you. And I hope you will find something interesting in what I'm going to share with you. When you make a New Year's resolution or any goal or objectives for that matter, kailangan sinusunod mo itong acronym na SMART. So, ano tong SMART na objective or SMART goal, or in this case, a SMART New Year's resolution? Okay, let's start with letter S. S is specific, M is measurable, A is attainable, R is relevant, and T is time-bound. Pag-usapan natin isa-isa yon and i-apply natin yan dito sa ating mga common na New Year's resolutions. So S for specific. Okay? Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Very basic. Okay? Kailangan ang iyong New Year's resolution ay sobrang specific, klaro. There is no room for misinterpretation. Okay? Ano ba ang kabaligtaran ng specific? Dapat hindi siya vague. Okay, anong Tagalog ng vague? Malabo. Okay? Kailangan, pag tinignan mo ang New Year's resolution mo, alam mo exactly what it is that you are trying to achieve. Which I will connect to the second part of the acronym, yung letter M. Okay? Kasi ang specific, almost always connected yan with letter M, which is measurable. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng measurable, kailangan quantifiable siya, na measure, na bibilang. Okay? So, kailangan mong lagyan ng numero. Okay, kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng way in order for you to count it, okay, or at least to weigh it. Okay, para pag dumating yung time na kailangan mong malaman kung successful ka hindi, meron kang way in order for you to quantify your success. Letter A, or attainable. Okay, anong ibig sabihin ng attainable? In Tagalog, kaya mo siyang makamit. Makamit or maabot, okay, ma-achieve, okay, ma-attain. Okay, ibig sabihin lang nun, kapag gumawa ka ng New Year's resolution, dapat ang New Year's resolution mo ay hindi imposible. Okay? You will not break not just an arm and a leg, but you will break all of your limbs in order for you to be able to achieve that. Okay? Kailangan hindi siya close to an impossibility. I mean, yeah, you can do suntok sa buwan, hoping against hope. Okay? It could be something that is very challenging, but not to a point na yun nga, na nagkalasag-lusog na yung buong katawan mo, makakalansay mo, para lang ma-achieve mo yung goal mo na yun. Okay? So, it has the essence or the concept of being realistic. Okay? Hindi ka pwedeng magawa ng New Year's resolution na alam mong magiging sobrang imposible. Bakit? Because you will be setting yourself up for failure. Okay? So, ipapasok ko dito yung konsepto ng stretched. So, kailangan i-stretch mo yung sarili mo in such a way that you are challenging yourself to reach that goal or New Year's resolution, pero not to a point na mamamatay ka trying to do it. Okay? Or, wag mo ding gawin na sobrang daling-dali ang iyong New Year's resolution na parang hindi ka magkakaroon ng motivation to even do it anymore. O now, R. R is relevant. Okay? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng relevant? Relevant itong New Year's resolution mo sa'yo and to a certain aspect of your existence. Okay? So, it can be relevant sa yung pagiging professional. Is it a New Year's resolution that is relevant to your health? Is it a New Year's resolution that will be relevant to your relationship with your spouse or your partner or jowa? Okay? So, doon yun iikot, okay? Yung pagiging paglalagay mo noong category or qualification na relevant. And in saying that, relevant is relative. Okay? Meaning, kung ano yung relevant sa'yo, okay, hindi siya necessarily relevant sa iyong kapatid, sa iyong nanay, sa boyfriend, or sa iyong boss. Okay? So, relevant is sort of kind of like a gray area in such a way that ikaw yung magde-decide kung ang iyong New Year's resolution ba ay relevant or may silbi, may kwenta, or may halaga sa iyo or wala. And the last is letter T or time-bound. Okay? So, anong ibig sabihin ng time-bound? Kailangan meron kang element of time. So, examples, you should have a deadline for your New Year's resolution or your goals, okay? Or kung hindi man siya deadline per se, kailangan meron kang start date at meron ka ding end date. I mean, you're not going to be infinitely doing that New Year's resolution naman siguro, okay? So again, when you say it's time-bound, kailangan alam mo kung kailan mo sisimulan, kailan mo matatapos, meaning hanggang kailan or ano ang deadline. Oh, now that you already know the SMART's New Year's resolution, let us review. Balikan natin yung inyong mga nag-fail year after year ng New Year's resolution. I'd like to start with the most popular New Year's resolution of all. Ang sabi, I will lose weight this year. O napansin niyo, hindi siya specific, hindi siya measurable, and there is no time element. Okay? So, kailangan kang maging specific. Okay? You don't just want to lose weight. Okay? Kailangan, ano ba? Ano bang gusto mong mawala sa'yo? Gusto mo bang mabawasan ng taba sa belly? Okay? Do you want to lose or shed off 16 inches from your waistline? Okay? Ganun ka-specific. Okay? Kasi nga, kukonek yan dun sa letter M, which is measurable. Okay? Kailangan alam mo na ilang dapat inches ang gusto mong nawala sa iyong waistline or ilang kilos or pounds ang nawala sa timbang mo, which will now lead me to letter T, time-bound. Kailan mo sisimulan ang iyong plano for your New Year's resolution? And most importantly, by when mo dapat na-achieve itong nawalan ka ng ganitong number of inches off of your waistline or ganitong number of kilos or pounds from your weight. Okay? Ngayon, at this point, I also would want to add dito lang sa example na to, yung realistic, okay? Or yung pagiging stretched. Okay? Huwag mong sabihin na, January ngayon, di ba sasabihin mo, to lose 20 kilos by March. Aba, baka mamatay ka nun 20 kilos, okay? From January to March. Okay? Gawin mo siyang realistic. Huwag mo rin sabihin na to lose 20 kilos by December 2022. Masyadong understretched yun or walang ka-stretch yun. Ang sisiw nun, 20 kilos in a span of 1 year. O, second example, I will start eating healthy. O, yan yung mga sinasabi na naman nila. I'll start eating healthy this year. Hindi siya specific. It's very vague. When you say it's healthy, hindi ko alam kung sure ka ba kung ano yung definition mo ng healthy. So, you have to be very specific and kailangan nga measurable. So, sabihin mo, for example, I will cut down on carbs intake by 30%. O, ganyan. Or kung gusto mong mas sobrang specific at measurable pa, sabihin mo, I will eat 1 less cup of rice per day. O, gusto mo specific mo pa of white rice per day. Di ba? Yung per day, yun yung time bound mo. Okay? Alam mo na per day mo siya gagawin. Okay? Tapos, ano pang pwede mo sabihin? I will start eating green leafy vegetables beginning February. O, the third most common New Year's resolution ay itong may kinalaman sa habits or vices. No? So, either quitting smoking or stopping being alcoholic. Okay, so doon tayo sa smoking. Mas madaling isipan ng example yun. So instead of saying, I will quit smoking this year. Okay, hindi yung specific, hindi siya measurable, hindi rin siya time-bound. Okay, so sabihin mo, kunwari, I will lessen my cigarette sticks by 5 from 10 sticks a day. O, so, nasabi mo na magbabawas ka ng 5 kada araw. Okay? O, pwede mo ning sabihin, I will go down from 10 sticks a day to 1 stick a day by middle of the year. O, yun. So, specific, measurable, and time-bound. O, isa pang example na may kinalaman sa health and fitness. Diba? Yung isa, losing weight. Yung isa, eating healthy. Dadagdag ko na dyan yung sasabihin nila. Okay? I will work out more this year. Okay? Hindi specific. Tingnan mo, more. Okay? More is very vague. It's not countable. Okay? So, magsabi ka ng specific measure and measurable. So, sabihin mo, ilang beses ka ba dapat pupunta sa gym? So, sabihin mo, I will start going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week beginning February 1. O, ganun. Napaka-specific na may measure and alam mo, nasisimulan mo yun sa February 1. Oh, and speaking of more, okay, being vague, isa pang common na nadidinig ko na New Year's resolution. I will read more this year, or I will travel more this year, or I will have more me time this year. Hindi nga specific tsaka measurable, guys, yung more. So maglagay ka ng ilang beses ka bang magbabiyahe sa taon na to? Ilang libro ba ang babasahin mo for this quarter or from February to the end of the year? Okay, tapos ilang oras ba ang iaalat mo for recreation, okay, or for me time, okay? So kailangan mong malaman kung ano yung mga specifics na yun, because saying that you will allot more time, more travel, more effort is not specific at all, and it leads to you being vague about it. Eto, favorite ko tong New Year's resolution na to. Nadinig ko na to eh. Okay, sasabihin, I will be a better boyfriend to you, or a girlfriend, or a better mom. I'll be a better son. Okay? The word better in itself, hindi yun quantifiable. Hindi siya measurable. Okay? So, it is very important na kailangan you specify kung paano ka magiging better boyfriend, girlfriend, parent, child, sibling, friend, whatever. Okay? So, sabihin mo, halimbawa, kunwari, better boyfriend. I will spend at least 3 to 4 times a week of my time with my girlfriend or boyfriend, okay, beginning next week. Yun, ganun. Or sabihin mo, I will send at least 1 gift per month to my mom, okay, beginning tomorrow. Yan, yung mga ganyan. Okay? Huwag mong sabihin better kasi nga, saan ang gagaling yung better? Parang assumption nga kasi doon, you were a bad boyfriend, bad son, bad parent, bad friend last year. So, how do you intend to make yourself better? Okay, kailangan lagyan mo siya ng specifics, kailangan na may measure siya, and kailangan ito ay time-bound. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is a crash course on smart New Year's resolutions. Okay, I hope this vlog is not yet too late considering it's only just January, and sana hindi pa kayo tapos sa lahat ng inyong mga New Year's resolution. Or kung nakagawa na kayo ng New Year's resolutions, hopefully you learned a thing or two dito sa vlog na to so that you'll be able to modify or to improve your existing New Year's resolutions for the year. So from here in 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗲, I hope that you are all healthy, safe, fully vaccinated, and maybe with the booster, happy, loved, and you are working towards achieving your goals. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Happy New Year again. Okay, this is BJ Bentong. If you like this video, please click like, share it on your social media, and if you haven't yet, click subscribe and that bell.